Welcome to the world of travel consulting, where exciting opportunities await. Are you passionate about the travel industry? Do you dream of a rewarding career as a travel consultant? Well, you're in luck. Introducing the Travel Industry Essentials course, a free online resource that will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this dynamic field. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, our comprehensive course covers a wide range of topics that are crucial for any aspiring travel consultant. We will start by exploring the importance of phonetic alphabets and their role in clear and effective communication within the aviation industry. Then, we will dive into the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, and its role in setting international aviation standards. We will also discuss the Montreal Convention 1999, MC99, and its impact on liability in international air travel. And let's not forget about the Chicago Convention and the Warsaw Convention, two pivotal agreements shaping the aviation industry. To truly understand the industry, we will delve into the freedoms of air passage and the International Air Transport Association, IATA, a vital organization ensuring safe and efficient air travel worldwide. Learn about billing and settlement plans, traffic conference areas, and IATA codes, all essential elements in the world of travel consulting. As we journey further, we will explore the intricacies of air travel, from selecting the right fares and class codes to constructing fares for different itineraries. Discover the art of building passenger name records, PNRs, and handling special service requests with utmost professionalism. Master the fundamentals of airfares and ticketing, including fare basis codes, fare calculation principles, and understanding fare components. Witness the transition from paper tickets to e-ticketing and gain familiarity with global distribution systems, GDS, that drive the industry forward. And, of course, we will keep you updated with the latest travel industry trends, helping you stay ahead in this ever-evolving field. We created the Travel Industry Essentials course to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Whether you're new to the industry or a seasoned professional, our course will help you excel. Not only will this course boost your confidence and expertise, but it also serves as excellent preparation for the IATA Foundation exam, giving you a competitive edge in the industry. So, are you ready to embark on a rewarding career in the travel industry? Watch YouTube videos on the Travel Industry Essentials course and unlock the doors to a world of exciting possibilities. Join us on YouTube for the Travel Industry Essentials course and let your travel consulting journey begin.